Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Mayar. On this video we're gonna continue with the hard coding XML message of hard coding. So let's say how should we create this one if this has a many sibling with the same name. You see, food, too many sibling, like we call them array list. If XML has a list of that, we have breakfast menu, we have food, then food, and on that food is a menu is a waffle, and this is also a strawberry waffle and berry waffle, and different type of French toast and home style breakfast. How should we create such hard coding on a first method? I call them first method. We will ignore this first tag, but let's create this one. How should we do this one? Let's copy and paste, and I see on the coding section. Okay, I pasted right here, but I'm sure if I do 2 of them or 3 of them, it will make sense. The thing is repeat. That will take longer, but I will do at least 2 of them, and I will take either 2 or 3 description from right here. So how should we do it? On a first way, still we are on the first way. Or first method, is up to you what it called, and we say set. This is the hard coding. This is not recommended. If thing get that much bigger, is not recommended, but just I want to show you, like sometime you could do those stuff on a simple way. You could call them a simple way, but once it get to that advanced, we have a different way. At least we make it easier for developer. How should we create this? Something is not repeating like that bigger. So this is a breakfast menu. After that we will pass is a breakfast menu. We pass it breakfast menu. After that is food, but this is the array, you see, because that way we know this is the array, this is the list, because same name repeated many times. So if you want to do that, same sibling repeated many times, you could pass the same name but with a list. And this is the first list. If you check, let's create this first list. We call them first, second, third. That has a number. This follow with a sequence. You could create back and forth, is up to you, but this follow. If you want a same sequence, this one first, begin waffle, you could do the same thing. You add that one first, and whatever information is right here. After that there is a name. You pass name. You give them a dot, because that was the first child. We call them there was the first child of breakfast menu. We call them you add him to a list. This is a list type. So then what was the data inside that? The waffle bacon. So back and forth take longer time, and I'm sure you know we pass character on a single quotation. And we copy that one. How many times we copy and paste it? 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. Let's copy and paste 4 times. We gonna change few information on that, then price, then description, because the tag name is same thing. Let's say price. We take from right here description. We pass description. We will pass after calories, and now we take data from inside of that and pass it to our. Instead we go back and forth. Let me copy that one and bring it near right here, and take the description, and I will pass it to my description, and take calorie, pass it to my calorie, because this is number, I don't need to add it, and price. This is also number, but that has a dollar sign. That's why I need to pass it to character. Price, because as a dollar sign is mixed with. Let's copy and paste. We create the first one. We create this first child. up to right here. What about this one? Let's create that one too. I'm gonna copy that one and bring it near. I don't need to go back and forth. I'm gonna copy right now this one. Let me make a space. I'll call him second child and paste. This time we just change the number. This is the second child. We call him a second child because everything is under second child. So we pass whatever is right here. We just replace the data, and after the price, after that is a description. It's a kind of ice cream thing. I like ice cream, and I used to work on a waffle when I came to United States that first time, and I will delete that one. And this is a repeating right now. We create first, second, and now is third one. I will create up to third one, so I'm sure you know it what I mean by how you create the list. Let's copy that one to make it third child. We call him a third child. All we need to switch this one. 3 3 3 3. Now replace the value in it. If you want a more, like this is the hard coding. I'm sure you will never do like this type. This is the long way, but I'm sure you will need it somewhere to use it. There's a light Belgian waffle cover, and there's a 900 calorie. This is a big calorie, same thing. Okay, okay. Now I create 3 child. I could create more, it's up to you. Create 5. Let me create all of them and 5 and come back, that way I save some time. So I create all 5 child as a array, you see, up to 5. So let's deploy and see. I hope that does not cause an issue. Okay, it's fine now, and let's send any information. You see, I just send that and switch. Let's get in. Now if you check right now, we create breakfast menu and we create food. On a food we already create 2 of them, the name, waffle, and the price, and keep doing that. If you check right now, we're coming to a second one. If you check right now, there's only one food, one list of food. Let's create the second one. If you check right now, they create the second one now. You see, they create the second one, but we create this one, only name. Let's create all of them, and let's create to 5th. Okay, if you check right now, we have a 5 food section, and each has a different information inside. So how you do that? You just add a list of that. On a list, you just mention it with different name, and keep doing that and complete it, and check it right now. You see, we create everything by hard coding. We does not send anything. This is hard coding we creating and send it right here. So that was the way. So see you on the next video.